Understanding, it slipped away, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, it slipped away. This idiom can be a bit tricky for English learners, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's dive in. The phrase, "it slipped away," is often used to describe something that was lost, missed, or escaped, usually without intention or notice. Imagine holding a fish that suddenly wiggles out of your hand and back into the water. Just like the fish, opportunities, time, or even memories can slip away. It's a poetic way to express the loss of something that was once within your grasp. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in everyday conversation. For instance, 1. I had the chance to visit Paris last year, but it slipped away when I decided to postpone the trip. 2. As I grow older, some childhood memories feel like they have slipped away. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, from missing opportunities to fading memories. Be careful not to confuse "it slipped away" with physical slipping, like slipping on ice. This idiom is mostly used for abstract things like time, chances, or memories, not physical objects. And that's all about the phrase, "it slipped away." I hope this video has made it clearer and you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be fun and really helps in understanding the nuances of the English language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.